Dogs.
So, is that for dogs?
Yeah.
Do you eat dogs?
But we're going back on the beach.
I can't move. Dad, I can't move.
Yes, you can. Oh, that's it. Go for sit down there, will
Please,
you?
can I get something?
We're going back now. We're going to borrow something we can get a drink. Yeah?
Oh,
Yeah?
I'm fine.
I want to get one.
I will. You can just go and I'll stay in the car.
No, you're not. We're going back on the beach now, Alice.
Huh?
That fog's lifted a bit. Oh, hold my hand. I feel like you're like wandering off. I feel like you're wandering off.
I really want.
No, just hold me. Hold me right there. Go back on the beach. And then we'll walk. Hey, should we walk back to the car?
Come on, I can follow my trail so I know where to go. Did you know I put the little trails? I put those little trails there for a reason.
Yeah.
So we know where we are.
Yeah. Come on, Alice.